history, mankind has gone to the ends of the earth to chase the greatest treasures. Now, the final search begins for the most elusive prize of them all.
Yoo-hoo! Osama! If I've learned anything from big-budget action movies, it's that complicated global problems are best solved by one lonely guy.
Where are you going to be going?
We're going to go look for Osama bin Laden.
Okay.
If I'm going to find Osama, then I'm going to be traveling to some pretty scary places.
This course is reality-based protection. Turn away from the grenade. Move!
How do I say, don't take me, take the cameraman? I'm looking for Osama bin Laden. Why is that funny?
We don't know whether he's in a cave with the door shut.
I was wondering if we could ask you a question.
No.
Or a cave with the door open.
I got a tip on where to find his uncle, Mahfouz Assam. You wouldn't turn him in for the $25 million?
But I'm a wanderlust king.
It's impossible. Mission is impossible.
This is hardcore Taliban country.
There's 21 guys here with guns.
When whoever's escorting us says, let's go, it means go now.
We ask every town, hey, you guys know where Osama's at? And they always point.
Jittadai Osama.
So that way.
Where in the world is Osama bin Laden?
This is a good moisturizer. It'll keep my hands really soft. Yeah? And do you know where I could find Osama bin Laden?
What?